Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some crafts I made for our fitness room using Dollar Tree items. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree, like hauls, shop with me videos, and organizing, please check me out and subscribe below. Dollar Tree has many items to decorate your fitness space. If you specifically like cycling, keep an eye out for these bicycle wreath forms in the floral decor section. You can leave them black or add some gold for an antique look. Using zip ties, you can arrange them in a fun configuration. I've seen similar wheel art sell for $20 to $40 and up, so to make your own for only a few dollars is a steal. These canvases have so much potential to personalize your fitness space the way that you want it. This particular artwork provides a good focus point when I need one during my rides. I used sticky numbers from the wall art section and used glue to attach these cute bicycle paper clips from the Dollar Tree office section. On these canvases, I used letter stickers from their craft section to put some of my favorite fitness quotes. As a modification, you could use paint to add some color. We made this one for my daughter's teacher last year. The quote, "You got this," is a great quote for both school and working out, and this is something that my daughter's teacher would say to her all the time. It has quite a special meaning for us. On the back of all of the canvases, I glued them to framed art from the Dollar Tree that had some depth. So when I hung them on the wall, the art had the illusion of floating. One tip that my friend gave me to hang them evenly was to use painter's tape as a guide along with a level. Lastly, I went to the kitchen section and bought some placemats. Along with Dollar Tree's electrical tape, I made my own art with shoe boxes and gift boxes. I bought a frame from Target and just took my time trying different angles and configurations. The electrical tape is so easy to use, and I really like it because it's kind of stretchy yet strong and has a mild sheen to it. I also used the electrical tape to mount this large dry erase calendar. I found it in the office section, and before hanging it, I rolled it in reverse to help flatten it. I added it to black foam board to make it more substantial and give it a frame. The electrical tape gives the borders a nice, clean look. So, have you used any items from the Dollar Tree to decorate your fitness space? Please comment below, as I'd love to know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.